everybody, ToyBox here, and we have the Hubba Bubba Clucker's bubblegum. So we're pretty excited because this is our Easter toy. We're gearing up for Easter, and we're gonna open this thing up, and it's a chicken, and it has bubblegum eggs, and you put the eggs in, and you wind it up, and the eggs, it's funny, this chicken lays the bubblegum eggs. Alright, here we go. Let's get our chicken out. Here's our chicken. Looks like a cute chicken. See, and this is the back. This is where the eggs are going to come out. This is where we put the eggs in. And this is where we wind it up. Here's our bubblegum eggs.
And now we
take like maybe a yellow one. And a blue one.
Oh, and a green one. Oh, green.
And a green one.
And a pink one.
And a pink one. Okay. Okay.
So
we're filling these up. Okay. Okay. Here we go. We'll wind it up. Oh. There's one. Oh, there's two. Oh, there's three. Oh, there's four. I think this chicken needs winded up again. You guys think this is fun? Do you have this toy? If you have this toy, or let us know. We'd love to hear about this. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, I think it's really cool.
Isn't that neat? Is that funny, Coco?
Really funny.
Let's take a pink one. Let's take a yellow one.
Oh, and green. There we go.
Yep. Green one. Okay. Wind it up. Wind it up, and this is where the bubblegum eggs come out. Whoops. Oh, there's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. There's five. There's six. There's seven. Coco, what are you doing in there?
I'm definitely not eating the bubblegum eggs.
And if you guys have this toy, or you'd like to have this toy, we'd just like to hear what you think about this toy. Anyways, this is ToyBox. We hope you have a good Easter, and we'd love to hear from you. And do you have a great Easter again? And what do you think, Coco?
I think it's really cool.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.